He gives me stuff all the time.
Okay, so today we're taking some stuff apart of the bike here. We're in the middle of taking the gun rack off and the side panels, and we're gonna get ready to give it a power wash at the car wash today, hopefully. So, what else are we doing, Liam?
At the back there, yeah. Back of the rear end.
So this is I'm giving you guys a better view of what the bike looks like here now that it's daytime and not nighttime. So I'll give you a bit of a shot here.
Ask him what that is. That's what you call deer shit?
No, that's chlorine.
Or something.
It's chlorine for a pool.
Show how dirty it is.
I know.
Get a zoom in on the motor. Get right into the motor.
Yeah.
Pretty easy bike to work at.
Yeah. Back brakes or pedals are completely seized.
Well, don't hit it, Dylan.
Oh no, I'm not. I can't even move it. I can't even move it.
Get the other side.
Yeah. So I'll give it a bit of a walk around. This is what it looked like after sitting about a year in the barn. So
Zoom out completely. There.
yeah, we're gonna get new decals for it.
And give it a clean job.
Really
Wash
good.
it off.
It's gonna need carburetor work, and yeah, the speedometer's a bit scratched up, but they're known for these older bikes are known for that. So it's nothing too fancy. Not bad. Give you another shot inside the box here. We're gonna give it a good power wash too. Are we taking this to the car wash as well?
No, not the box, no.
Just the bike? Well, it's gonna be good. So this is gonna be like a before, and then there's gonna be an after picture. I'm gonna take a before picture and an after picture, and I'll probably post it after this clip here. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of what it looks like now, and then probably take one after what it looks like when we power wash it. Oh, do they have an exhaust leak somewhere? I guess, eh?
There's the angle sensor. You can move it to a certain way.
There, I give you a prime example of how extremely dirty this is. Right here.
Where's the other two?
Oh, what?
Look at all that dirt just caked on there. That's all like barn dust and everything else. Here, even here too.
Where's the two good ones?
Even all the grass all in there.
Holy fuck, the sparkler is even rusted.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right here.
It's even got a pull cord too, which I didn't even know about. So that's a bonus. Where? Oh geez, eh? Oh, it's got a fan, so that's good. Curious if the pull cord works on it. What was the batteries? Probably. I don't think there's a decompression switch on this.
I don't know.
I don't see one. I think it's just a pull and let her go. Pretty dirty. That's for dang sure.
Snorkel up to here.
Is that the snorkel?
That's all of it, yeah.
Okay. Pretty dang loose.
Supposed to be. Well, if you go any higher than that, you're into the water.
Like, look how dirty that all that is right there. Like, look at that. Like, look how dirty
Yeah, it's
that is.
fine though.
I'm just showing them. She is dirty, that's for sure. That's for sure. So right now, I think we're taking the gas tank off, correct?
No, we're just taking the panels off.
Oh, the panels off? Oh no, because you had the dirty drain bucket there.
There's lots of panels.
Yeah, what's the dirty drain bucket for?
Gas, petrol, gasoline.
Oh, we're draining it.
We're going to.
So right now we're taking the panels off because I think we're going to empty out the old gas. Well, gas is getting old. It's not old, but it's getting there. It's starting to have that smell a little bit, but it's not overly.
Tarnish.
Yeah, it's like it's starting to get a little dirty there, and starting to create that stench smell that everyone, you guys what old gas smells like. So it's starting to create that.
Tell them it smells like shit.
Yeah, like it's starting to create that smell. So right now we're taking the panels off, and we're gonna drain the gas out of her, and then probably see if there's any dirt in the bottom of the tank. Because I could definitely tell you, I assure you that it will need a carb cleaning or a carburetor rebuild. Probably both, who knows. Another pin thing here. I wonder if this 12-volt thing still works. Looks kind of rusted in the inside, but I don't know. Yeah, it looks a little rusted, but I'm sure it still works. Okay, so now we're taking the whole thing off. What if you take the speedometer off without you don't want to screw it up, eh?
Not right now.
Pretty loose. Oh, you got her.
No, I didn't.
Well, sort of.
Oh, no wonder there's a Phillips screwdriver.
Phillips?
Yeah. Old Phillips. I don't know why they do that, but anyways, they did it.
For some bikes, it makes things a little so it seems so easy, but
Sure.
yet so complicated. So I don't know why they would do something like that. But like these little plastic,
Because they
put these like plastic key things.
want people to pay.
Well, yeah, but they put these plastic things in, and then they kind of like hide a Phillips screw under the panel, and it makes it sometimes a little hard to get in there to take it apart.
It says you're going to pay.
I think you have to take the whole front thing off to get to the tank, do you?
No.
No? One-way draining gas. Oh, what's in there? You're draining what's in the fuel line.
Yeah. There's reserve. I gotta find out there's reserves on the bottom. Look at your panel over there.
Panel?
That handle they took off to the side. I'm gonna. Oh, I had another one to the collection. Another one. This would be number 4 or 5. I used to have 5 altogether at one time. We just sold 200s. My Tara's dad did. This is in the barn.
This is barn fine. Yeah.
Well, it was her dad's, right? But I was just getting it going. I'm just getting the pretty back up to bring it back to life. Oh yeah.
Siphoning it.
Yeah, I'm taking all the old gas out of her. And we'll get it back on the trail eventually for the spring. Hey?
That's in good shape. Nothing broken.
Yeah, just sitting dirt.
Yeah.
Just dirty, yeah.
It runs.
Do you do any welding?
My brother does. I don't have a welder. Why?
Well, I broke the leaf spring bracket off my little trailer there.
Oh, the
Out,
you
out in the woods.
the
Little black. Little
yeah,
blue
what's broken on the actual leaf spring or the?
one. The bracket.
You can buy it.
Okay, so this is what we got out of the tank here.
You know what I mean?
It's a little bit of dirt got out of there. Gas is definitely dirty though. It's like a dirty color, dirty-ish color in there. So
I just want a little bit of air compressor. Let me see here. So I'm just gonna get the air. Yeah, then hold the throttle. We'll put on that.
throttle.
Is
Yeah,
it
the
open?
guy said I'll give you $250. box. 250.
So what exactly are you doing?
What did you say? You're not giving them 250 for it?
Fuck that for 4 tires and rims. Fuck that. Fucking Jew.
Kenny and Norton. That's the name of them.
Yep.
You smell the ether off her?
She's dirty down there.
That's fine.
It's not that bad.
Anyways. That's,
Well, looks clean in there, so. Not there.
that's just the foam.
No mice?
No.
That's just the pre.
That's how small the battery is?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, that's ever small.
Yeah, it is, eh?
Jesus Christ.
Is it ever, right?
Should we try it?
Well, it's probably dead.
Yeah,
Try and see if
No, not yet. Like, there's no gas in it.
Oh yeah, I forgot we...
I forgot you
Hey.
drained the gas out of her, eh?
Put that right there. I'll put the cover back on. And that was a pretty basic bike to work on, no? Like,
Oh, yeah,
Well, how easy was your Honda 4-track?
Oh fuck, it was easy. Everything was so open and small.
so I didn't. Once you get these going, you don't have to work on them.
You can't kill them.
No. Like, we don't really have to put the work we're gonna put into it, but
Well, might as well.
we wanna...
Well, to drive it on the trail, you should.
Well, exactly.
Are you putting this on the trail?
Oh, this has...
Put it,
Oh, watch that filter.
yeah, put that filter over there.
Ah.
Put it on top of my box.
Yeah, put it...
Right there, Liam.
Finally got the box off. What happened to the box, Liam?
We ripped her off.
We ripped it off. She's rotten. She rotten. Oh well. I mean, we got a new box if you really wanted to anyway, but I don't think he's gonna want to put another box on there, so.
What's that clamp? Give me the clamp. Okay, the side piece is over here to lock it. Anyways.
Well, the license plate's on it.
We'll rip that off.
Okay, so now we're putting Aaron into her. Whose truck are we taking?
Look at the fucking back bar. Just...
Yeah, it's all bent, eh? Okay, so right now we are back in the truck up here so we can load up the bike and bring it to the car wash. Ooh, puppy. Yeah.
Are you actually recording?
What?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you tell me where we're going?
So right now, right now we're going to the car wash. What?
Show them the bike.
Yeah, right now we're going to the car wash and we're gonna pressure wash this bike. We're just going up the road here.
Anyway, there's a special, Dylan.
Well, what's special?
$11 extra large.
Pizza. I could go for a pizza. Or I should.
No, Dylan.
Nope.
Bushes now. Can you turn it more?
No, I can't.
Fuck, turn it.
Somebody left change. That's a bonus. So we're gonna wash soap and stuff.
Yeah. All right. Well, fuck. We'll use this then. Hey.
High pressure rinse, wash and soap.
There you go. What the fuck?
Essence doesn't accept that kind of point.
Has to. What the fuck? Yeah, accept. I don't know why I never just not accepting it.
Mud here.
Get going? Fuck.
Oh, it's got the soap too. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh fuck. Yeah. What is that? Scrub the foam brush.
What?
The foam brush.
No, don't use that. Got some work to it on the bike.
Oh.
Just make it flat. It's the first time it's ever been washed. It's lifetime.
Yeah, and it's lifetime. Oh yeah, she muddy. The front end's getting dirty again. Oh, she getting foggy up in here. Okay, so now we are going to get gas, $5 of high test, and we're gonna see if this thing will start up again. I know it's gonna need carb cleaning, but we're just gonna do it for shits and giggles and see what the hell happens. Go from there.
There, now looking at the inside looks a lot better.
Oh yeah, came out a lot cleaner, definitely.
it'll run. We got some at the house too. We can throw in.
Yeah.
We might as well throw in the rest.
Well, I don't know if Dad wants to do that because he might, in case we have to drain it out again.
No,
How much will it read?
probably nothing.
Yeah. Still flashing.
Like $5.
Yeah.
Just to see if it's gonna run again on its own. You have that $5?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Big old horn there.
So honestly, what do you think? What do you think?
Well, it's better than what it is. A lot better.
There's still lots of sticks in it.
Sticks?
Yeah,
I don't
but you're not gonna always get like
If
you're
it
not gonna
gets
get
mild-
everything 100%
If
though.
it gets mild, I will. Is it on?
No, you have to turn the switch. Then now it's on.
You gotta charge that. How do you charge that off?
Jonathan has the charger somewhere.
Okay, is it down? Is it reverse? Is it
Nope,
reverse?
down is on.
It's off.
Down is on.
This way.
That's reserved. Just leave it charged for a little bit.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, put that air breather back in.
No, it should be all right. Might have to spray a little ether into her.
Yeah, but I want to see if it doesn't.
Fuck, this time change got me fucked up.
I'll see if it goes without, and if we need to put a little bit in, then we'll put a little bit in.
Fuck, man, I've been dragging my ass all day.
Can you hold that choke on?
Do you have to keep it in the middle. Started right up.
Let it go. Let it go.
It's too cold.
I think it's starting to fuel.
Dude, you think so? Starving for fuel, or I don't know. Might need carb cleaning too. Could be something gunked up.
Whose sweater is that?
Fine.
Oh, I can't believe it started right off. First turnover by the hit of the button.
I think it's starting for fuel.
Start
Oh,
up again, Liam.
Keep the choke on. It'll hear it long out.
you should be able to fix that choke so you don't have to hold it so much. Is there a way or no?
Why the cable's broken?
Well, no,
But if it runs good, it'll always start.
yeah. Well, I can't believe you're starting right now because we did put what?
You're the engine stick. It's
Oh, that's all right.
Valve
A valve adjust, maybe. Yeah.
That one hurt the rest of it. It just makes it
Yeah, you could. You might have to sit idle. Yeah. It could. He probably needs carb clean.
Unless it needs more gas.
Maybe, I don't know. It's smoking over there.
That's water.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, it's on
It's just running cold, that's all. And it's low on fuel, too. Or maybe. You know how to set the idle on this bike? There, he fixed it. Let it warm up. Oh, there you go. So low on fuel.
Wait, I'll try.
I lit up there for a bit.
Well, it's low on fuel too, so. Hey, you want me to throw some more fuel into there? It is hot. What's the... Yeah. Oh, it needs a car cleaning, Liam, though. It could be gunked up. You have to buy a new battery for her, right? Yeah.
Siren for fuel, I think.
Yeah, you can tell. Like the needle and seat could be stuck though too, eh? No? Yeah, it is starving for fuel. Maybe there's something clogging in the line somewhere. The fuel filter might not be working. Yeah, you can tell. You can tell. Yeah, I will. Oh, I'll shut her down once it quits. It's not quitting now. It's just probably too cold. I don't even hear it hesitate.
You should take it for a little test drive.
Yeah, you could, eh? Will it go into gear? Oh yeah, it goes into gear. But don't go too far. That's the thing with this bike. It doesn't want to go into neutral half the time. That's the problem. Yeah, but we wanted to see if it goes into gear, but now it's all fucked up. The electronic gear doesn't want to shift. Oh, maybe. Because now it's not in gear. It's in gear, but it won't go back into neutral. Oh, that's why. We'll have to buy a new battery for it.
It's in gear, so.
Might have to drag it back in the garage. Oh well.
Roll it back and see.
Yeah, well, that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah,
It's just running cold. That's what it is, right? So, yeah, I used to be able to know what to do. You should back up your truck.
It's rolling.
Yeah, but you kind of gotta push it ahead.
Push it ahead. Dylan, stop recording.
Okay.